Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a single user code or how you can remove all the user codes from your Kwikset Powerbolt 2 in 2026. Now, before you begin, you need to make sure that the door is opened and the lock is also unlocked. Once this is done, you just have to simply start by deleting the single user code. So in order to do it, you just have to simply come outside of the lock over here, and then you need to simply start entering your master code. So when you enter your master code, you just have to simply press this particular lock button. Now when you press the lock button, you just have to simply now press 3 on your keypad. So after pressing 3, you just have to again press the lock button, and then you need to start entering the user code that you want to remove. After entering the user code, you just have to simply press the lock button one more time, and if the deletion is successful, you are going to hear two beeps, and when you hear them, it simply means that you have successfully removed or deleted that particular user code. Now if you want to delete all the user codes at once, you need to simply just start entering your master code first. After that, you just have to simply press the lock button. Then this time you need to simply press 5 on the keypad. Then you need to press the lock button. Now if successful, you are going to hear two beeps again, indicating that all the stored user codes have been erased from the lock. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.